welcome back to our channel.
It's been a long day until we vlogged.
It's been a long day? It's still early. So today's day 1. Can you guys guess what week this is? We're outside. Nature Week! We are doing nature. What did you say?
Space Week.
Space Week? That was last week, kid. Oh, and Amira's just sitting on me. So, we're going to start today with the girls' favorite scavenger hunt. Oh, give it back. Tia Chata actually got them this really cool bag where you stick cards in it, and it could be for inside and outside. And there's a little timer for everything. You stick the things in the bag, and they love playing that one. And this one I printed it at Google, is your friend, offline. And it just has different things we can find, typically outside. Normally backyard, front yard. You don't have to go in a trail or anything. But there are some cool ones that you can go on a trail, right?
Mama, can we
Okay, so Avery, you're in charge of reading it.
Because I know how to read.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I can get.
And you can check them off. Yep, you're gonna bring them back to me.
And then I can get them.
Yep, so what does the first one say?
A white rock.
Leave it here. Can you guys go look for a white rock? All right, they got 2 rocks. White rock. Amira, let's check it out. Check. Number 3, what does it say? I mean, number 2, what does it say?
Different leaves.
3 different leaves. Okay. Yep, that's different.
Different. No, these ones runs and this one's straight.
So even though they're both green, they're very different leaves, right? Okay, what does it say? Here, Roger, look at yourself. A flower petal. Audrey, go find a flower petal.
Myself? Flower petal. We have a sunflower. Thank the bag. Maybe that's fine. But the purple one. Purple's the same color. I get one petal. We're going one petal. One sunflower.
What does this next one say?
This is a what and a flower. This is a fair. And what?
Let me see. What's the next one say, Avery?
It says a bird.
Okay, you cannot bring a bug, so we're going to put the camera out this way.
Right there.
Cool.
Yes, can I?
All right, that counts.
Yes. I repeat careful.
Something round, Audrey.
Okay, let's
Come
find
here.
something round.
Come here, Audrey. Come here. You see the chicken over there? Oh, that's a good one. Hold on. Hold on. What is that, Audrey? Something round. Hold on. What is that, Audrey? Something round. She got one of those little spiky balls.
Can I get to
That's round. That counts. What's the next one say? What is it?
It's a cricket stick.
There you go. Next is bark. 2 pieces of bark. Yep. This is part of a tree. Kind of looks like skin from a tree. Phone or something you like. Can you? Here, Audrey. We're going to do the last one.
See how something I like. Get a photo? This is something I like. The leaves. Bug. Ah! Mama, is there a bug coming in the bush?
No, Audrey's just being a butt. Come here. Okay. We finished the scavenger hunt. and it's starting to get really hot. So we're gonna go inside where we have some air conditioning, and we're gonna do our second part of today. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Up. Córrele. Adentro. Vamos a la casa. You can take it. Okay. We're back, guys. We washed our hands, and now it's time for our snack. So, in theme with our scavenger hunt, where we went around the yard and picked different things, we went into our closet in the grocery store and picked different things. Oh, she's hungry. And we're gonna make our own trail mix. Super easy, anything you want, salty, crunchy, nutty, and a little bit of sweet. Mix it together, and then just throw it in a baggie, and that's your trail mix. So the girls are gonna make theirs. It's everything they like. A couple things the store was out of pistachios today.
It's okay.
What else?
But we still have pumpkin seeds.
We do. She sees the pumpkin seeds already.
Pumpkin seeds give you strong muscles and help you grow up.
Pick one thing each first.
Okay. I pick
Marshmallows. Avery, what's your pick?
I will pick pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds. What I'm gonna do is divide it up between them so they can each put. What? Pick again, Audrey. They can each put what they want. Okay, Avery.
Banana chips.
Okay, Audrey.
Special.
I think pretzels are Amira's. Try again.
I want
Peanuts, almonds, Reese's.
peanuts. Almonds. And I want
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. That's fine.
So let's start putting stuff in there until we're ready. Go ahead, Audrey. Go ahead, Avery. Open it up.
This many?
Looks good.
Mama,
Okay.
are pumpkin seeds?
Mix, please.
Mama, are pumpkin seeds important?
Everything's important.
You mean like pumpkin seeds? Okay, I can mix really good. I can pretend that this is too. Whoops. Banana chips.
One. Look at. There's the pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds, my favorite.
Woo, I spilled.
Marshmallows.
Mix them in there.
It's enough. Come on,
That's enough?
yeah.
Okay, so here's your baggie.
Baggie.
Grab a handful and put it in your baggie.
Okay. I got a hand. Not full.
Here you go.
They give you iron.
Okay, well, sure. Here's your baggie.
Yes. Is it?
All right, now that they have their little baggie made, we're gonna put the rest in one of my little containers. Keep it all perfect. Look at that. Couldn't have planned it better. Look how yummy it looks.
Mommy, can we have these for a snack?
Yes, ma'am. That is your snack for the day.
Can I eat this
Can I
one?
have a teddy bear?
Yeah. Mom, can I eat one? Can I eat?
Of course.
Please.
It's all yours. Is it good?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. All right, we are done for the day. They are
Fun.
gonna keep eating these because everything in here is really addicting.
They're good.
Thanks for joining us for day 1 of Nature Week. We will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to
Subscribe and explore.
oh, subscribe and explore. Good one. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye. What? Are you sad?